Hi, in this tutorial, we will be how to set a shunt time on a status input of a NetAXS 123 using the web user interface. Begin by logging into the web user interface using Google Chrome. Once on the dashboard, locate the menu icon at the top left corner and then hit Configuration. Then, you will have to hit Configure Your Spaces and expand the one space where the door is located at. By default, you will appear at the Readers tab. You must change to Inputs. Navigate through it until you find Shunt and Debounce. In here, one can specify the shunt time in seconds, minutes, or even hours. This shunt time is to specify the amount of the time for which the inputs are shunted, or in other words, deactivated. An example can be 15. Once you are done, hit Save. You will see how a successfully saved message will appear in the top right corner. For more information and videos, please visit our webpage, mywebtech.honeywell.com.